All right, here we are, 207 Whittemore. So this is a 4-unit on Whittemore Street here in East Toledo. So taking a quick view of the surrounding area here, I don't see any major red flags. So this is by the famous Tony Pacos on the east side here. So this building right here is pretty close. We'll be going back that way here. But otherwise, I mean, everything is kind of what you would expect for the east side. So not great, but this part is not horrible at all. So, all right. So the house itself, it is vinyl siding. That's good. And it looks like there are replacement windows, not new, but there are replacements. That's good. We got things like gutters we'd have to work on, but that's an easy fix. All right. So this is the common entrance for all 4 units. So we're gonna be looking at unit number 2. It is empty. So you got those 2 up there. You got number 1 here. All right, so I don't know how much along the process this is being fixed up. If it is being completely finished, great. If not, we got some work to do. So, all right, so for the kitchen, obviously, there's our water tank. It does not appear as though there's any basement, crawl space, anything like that. The cabinets, actually, there's plenty of cabinet space here for this 2-bedroom apartment. So you got your water tank here. You would put your fridge here. And I'm looking for the 224 stove. I'm not sure. We'll have to ask about that. I don't know if it's behind that stuff there. But yeah, first question, where you put a stove? And there it is right there. Yep, so that's where it was. We'd have to get that wired up. Okay, so yeah, so it is wired. Very good. Okay, so you got your electrical box here in the kitchen. There's your big boy breaker for that. Okay, very good. Crisis averted. But yeah, I mean, once again, this floor is fine. It's just vinyl sheeting. You got a dine-in area for the main living area. The house, all of the units are baseboard heat. There is no gas. I don't hate that. You can fix these pretty easily. And these units aren't that big, so it's not like you have to heat a huge area. And the tenants pay for it. So there we go. But no, plenty of room in here for couches, chairs, TVs, things like that. We'll go out the back here in a minute. So once again, I mean, this obviously is not a finished product, but just for the rooms. So we have all this. The big concern, though, is that there are no closets in these rooms. So they're bedrooms, but they don't have closets. So bathroom, once it's fixed up, this is fine. There is a ceiling fan. Obviously the power's off right now. But yeah, I mean, functional bathroom. Nothing fancy. And then you have the other bedroom, which once again, they're small. But in this type of unit, you're not going to have people that are going to be bringing in big fancy bedroom sets. So that's that. And then we'll go out the back here. This actually is pretty nice. So this unit has a nice little porch here, and there is some back alley parking back here, so you can get a couple cars back here. We'd obviously have to find out what the current arrangement is for parking and everything. But yeah, so that's the neighbor's yard there. This unit up here has a nice little deck too. I think actually all of them do. I think. Let's check that front again here. But yeah, okay. So all in all, I mean, yeah, this siding was repaired or changed at some point. It really truly doesn't matter at this point. So yeah, so this is the unit. We'll have to find out if The other 3 are carbon copies of this, but otherwise, this is a solid little 2-bedroom apartment for East Toledo. There we go.